Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Speaker Biki Soaps, or as you know it by now, Speaker Biki Soaps. As always, it's myself, Stefan here, and I'm joined by Ogrote, and actually for the second time we're shooting Fomoline, because the first time I switched my mic off and you couldn't hear me. Morning, Daniel.
It was almost better that way, but yeah.
So Daniel, I see this pink liquid here, Fomoline.
Fomoline.
FOMO as in fear of missing out on the product lean.
No, don't miss out on this product. So yes, Stefan, Fomoline, fantastic product. It's our upholstery cleaner, carpet cleaner. Yeah. So basically it can be used for machine cleaning. It can be used for normal scrubbing as well. If you do your machine cleaning, you use 1 part of Fomoline and 50 parts of water. That's your dilution for those carpet machines. If you want to do heavy scrubbing on your carpets or upholstery, couch or anything, use 1 part of Fomoline to 30 to 40 parts, depending on how badly the stains are. And this is a product, I've used it myself on my car seats. It works, it takes off any stain there is. Okay. So it's a fantastic product. I guarantee it works.
Not on leather upholstery.
No, because leather is sensitive a bit to water. So on your more fabric upholstery and so.
Okay, so basically anything from a couch, a carpet.
Yes.
Anything with a fabric upholstery, Fomoline is the answer.
Yes, it's not FOMO of the States.
And Daniel, the packaging of the product, as always, we manufacture it. So it's a 5, a 25, a 200, a 1,000, a 30,000 if you want it. We can do it. We manufacture local. And then safety precautions when using Fomoline, Daniel. Is there anything to look out for, or is it pretty much a safe product?
It's a safe product, so yeah, just don't drink it.
Okay. Okay.
So, but yeah, you can get it on your hands. It's not a corrosive product, so very easy to use.
Great. So please have a look at the demonstration video at the end to see the effects of the Fomoline. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact either myself or Grote here, and we will be more than happy to assist. So please don't have FOMO, buy Fomoline and have clean upholstery. Thank you.
That's right.
Sir, no chemicals, get your laundry house. Sir, no chemicals, chemicals you